Lots of fire. Not good. Alrighty, guys and gals, so I just wanted to go ahead and do a little ride in Temecula. Now unfortunately I entered my daughter because she's into K-pop. You know, I decided to do this thing for her to be nice. We did win a ticket, so I'm here to go collect the thing. In the meantime, I'm like, you know what, I can weave in and out of traffic. I can go ahead and do this all day long, and in the meantime film and show people what it's like to ride a motorcycle in Southern California and kind of the stupidity that comes with it. So you know what, I figured might as well have fun getting a little extra filming in. And lane splitting. And you have people like that you just gotta go kind of like let them know, I will lane split you all day long.
That's what I'm talking about.
Got her gift. There you go, baby. That fire. Whoo-wee. Wow, look at that. Unfortunately, guys and gals, this is kind of a normal thing that you see in Southern California is fires. It's never something that's good to see, but it's unfortunately kind of normal. You know, people lose their homes. You know, it's just California does not get a lot of rain, and when it does, it sometimes comes down too much. But then sometimes when it rains just barely enough, you put yourself in a bad season. So like this year, 2021, we didn't get actually a lot of rain. Last year, 2020, we actually did get a lot of rain. So that's awesome. Little mohawk. Yep, I made it. See, here comes the lane splitting time. All I do is I get that up so I can get up front and I can get away from everybody, and then I back off. Okay. Now I don't do that on the freeways, and the only reason why I don't do that on freeways is the what if factor. Wow, that fire is definitely closer than I would like, but it looks like it's kind of getting somewhat put out, I think. I don't know. Because today we actually have some winds and we have some other stuff that's happening. You know, oh, that's right, 100 something degrees right now.
It's hot.
This is the type of riding that you would see on a normal basis if you were commuting here in Southern California. This is what happens. There's a lot of traffic, and this is what happens. See, that guy was cool. I never speed demon through here just because there's always somebody that I always have a fear that somebody's going to open their door. That's just me, you know, that's just me. Dude, stay up. You know what's getting more irritating is my stinking phone mount. Yeah, I'm shooting you. But see, I don't shut that Nissan. Oh, the big old black pillow of smoke right there. Don't like that. Ugh. I hate lane splitting right here. This is actually one of my areas I am not a fan on, because I got to get on the right lane. And I hate lane splitting right here just because it's just kind of not fair, but at the same time, you know, that right there, see? You got people like that, ditches over, and you're like, thanks, dude, but you almost just killed me. But he didn't right there, obviously. Uh-oh, freeway time. Perfect. Wow, that is just straight gnarly. It's time to make a little bit of noise in the bridge over underpass here. Barely did it. You don't know why I barely did it? Because there's a cop actually that's right behind, not too far. Hey, how you doing? I'm coming over. Hi, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna lane split over here too, by the way. Ooh, I do not like this truck though. I will tell you that right now. Once I get past this truck, I'll be okay. Had to give them the thumbs up. That's what you do, riders. When you pass and somebody gets over for you, you give them the thumbs up, period. There is no ifs, ands, buts about it. Don't stay, you stay, you stay, you stay. Get off your phone. Stay. I see what you're doing. Yeah, you're awesome, dude. Dude, thank you. And this is where I will not lane split. I kind of always call it around 60 to 65. I don't like lane splitting. You know, too aggressive. Oh, that guy looks like he's got a sleeper there. We're slowing down. We're slowing down. And for the remainder of this part, it's going to be too windy, so I'm just going to edit it right now. Okay. What are you doing, dude? Stay. You got a little frustrated right there, buddy. I'm going to be a good boy and go the speed limit. Man, how many people like Jack in a Box? I'm a fan of it. I don't mind it. You know what? Let's just go down Vista. Let's go ahead and cruise it for a second. Oh, that's like a denial. You can only go straight. No, this is basically downtown Vista, if people don't know. I'm going to go ahead and pass it. I will pass it just for fun of it. Why not? But my favorite brewery is actually up here. And called Wavelength. I like them a lot. They're pretty good. They're very tasty. I'm just so surprised that even with COVID and all the stuff that's happening, I'm surprised that there's not more car, you know, shows or meet and greets or whatever with stuff like that. I've always kind of wondered about that. You stay. Glad you saw me. But Pepper Corner ice cream, I've heard about. We've actually had it before. Really good, actually. Best pizza and brew. That's a very big name to live up to. I'm gonna turn right on this one. Well, that sucked for you. You're wrong, whatever that coal-fired pizza, had that the other day. Not too bad, actually. There it is, right there, guys and gals. Wavelink. Some type of cafe. The place name is Chin's. Okay. Wow. That was a... Wow. You got some special people right now. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. You ever do see you on YouTube? Why are you hugging so much on the right? Oh, and now you're purposely doing it. Okay. Okay. Just so she knows, I'm gonna play that game. I hate when people do that. California, we have that rule. You're allowed to lane split. If you don't like it, tough. I don't care how you personally feel about it, but you need to be also doing the right thing and staying in your lane. Be straight. Don't hug to the side or do anything like that, because all that's going to do is just beyond irk me. Oh, I got to get gas. Great. Cool thing about motorcyclists is that we can get gas anywhere and fit in anywhere. Eesh. That was funny. Have fun, Mr. Mustang. Man, the smoke from the fire, it's pretty much everything you see in front of me right now, mixed with also the marine layer coming in. So it's kind of like that and all worlds there. Man. You really can't tell which one's which, but that's kind of sad. I really don't know. Okay. I guess you're just gonna run it. Okay. I wanted to get over. I needed to make that right turn. Everything depended on it. Some people, again guys, I don't know how people ride their motorcycles in other states. You got a lot of stupid people that ride or drive, man. It is just, ugh. You guys look in front of me right now. That is my one video I did for, called Bonsall 2, that's it. Yeah, I normally don't do this, guys, but I have to, okay? Just because this guy's pissing me off. I hate doing that, but I can't stand when guys, when they're perfectly staggered. Like I said, I don't mind. I will always go the speed limit, but when they're perfectly blocking, that's when you lane split. That's when it gets kind of dangerous. And this is what most cops don't understand. I've always kind of think towards that. when you're on a motorcycle and they're doing stuff like that, you're basically, again, we're exposed. So it's never a good thing when it comes down to us having the ability. We could easily get smashed if somebody chose to be stupid, slam on the brakes. You do that, you get some people that get all irritated, they get mad, but
Oh.
No, it's not!
get over it. Splitting, you have to pick and choose. What's the best bet? And that guy had a huge mirrors, that's why I went to the left. Alright guys and gals, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this a quitty. I'm heading back home, so hope you enjoyed it, guys. I know it's kind of short, but want to have some fun, get something out there again as normal. Till then, guys, again, ride smart, be smart, don't do drugs. Bye.